Hi, my name is Erin Anderson. I am an education innovator at the Smithsonian EdLab, and I'm here to talk today about using objects in learning. Now, there are three main ways to use object-based learning in your classroom, and I like to use it as a great way to help students see some real-world relevancy in the things that we're learning and kind of access the lessons from a different place than they might normally. So the first example that I'm going to talk about is using objects as a hook. So if I were to bring in this object, which is a bowl with a lid made from magazines that were, I guess, upcycled into this object, you could start out by bringing it in and just asking some basic questions. It's the inquiry method, basically. Start by asking about its physical features, what size is it, what color is it, then talk about its construction and what we think it might be made from, how it was constructed, what products were used, its function and the different ways that it could be used, and then finally the design. Those are sort of building blocks to thinking about what this object is and why it might be important. And you could use this object to relate to a lot of different things. One of the easiest, I think, would be if you were teaching an environmental education class in science, talking about the life of a tree, basically, from plant to object. But I think you could also use it to compare and contrast bowls or pottery over time. You could use it in an art class. You could use it for a lot of different things. So objects can make a really great introduction to a variety of different topics.